He came in, Drina's, and I was like, Bray, why did you, what? But you all talking about, I done been in your inbox. You messaged me talking about, hey, friend. So I said, hey, friend, back. I didn't know who he was. And it kind of shocked me when he came in the box. He turned on his camera, and Bryant's live this morning. And I'm looking at it like, why would, wait a minute, let me go back and look, make sure all of the emojis on in front of it and behind the name was the same one. And so I was like, why is he being FOE blogger? Why would you add that name? And then it's got a girl picture. And then Drina told me.
What's so sad is I think I shared one of the videos and might have told him, thank you for getting it. It was a video. I think I want to say he put a video up last week or a week before or something, I don't know. But I want to say I shared it and then said thank you.
Can y'all see this?
How you know? How I supposed to know that was breaking?
That's what I said. How was I didn't even know that it was him until y'all see it. He says, hey, friend, with the heart emojis. Me still not knowing who it is. I'm thinking it's, a girl with FOE. And I said, hey, friend, with the heart emojis. And then he went on to say, I've helped or blessed FOE, some of FOE Cash App. If you need anything, let me know.
Y'all want to continue to talk? They're not talking about nothing.
Go up to school if you want.
Yeah, enough of them motherfuckers.
Go ahead, Just. Y'all got to put my daughter to bed.
He is messy as hell. Bray is messy.
Just, you got anything you want to say? Just drop. Thank you, Just and Soul Traveler. This has been hectic. This has been crazy, but I'm glad you were able to get your stories out. I can't believe that this lady's acting like she didn't have access to your credit card information. Like she never booked a flight for you. They're acting like they had to be present at the event for them to have booked a flight. Clearly, they didn't have to be in DC for them to have booked a flight for you. So clock in. That's why he was spazzing out, screaming and yelling and talking about crucifixion and you all the things you gonna harvest. Boy, please. Fuck out of here.
That right there was a scare tactic for someone to say, well, never mind, I won't bring it to the forefront.
Absolutely.
I don't want to be cursed.
Absolutely.
What part in the Bible that y'all miss where it says a curse without cause will not land? Okay? Cut the foolishness.
It's ridiculous. It's the way that they was acting. You already know it's hit dogs.
Exactly. Cut the foolishness.
It's ridiculous. You want to do your thing over here? I know they got you. They got me too.
I do want to do my thing over here, but I wanted to have a bigger crowd where everybody went. So
I know. They didn't clip me at my highest. So, I'm sure once you get started, the crowd always going to go where the tea is. So.
You know what I was about to say? What you think about doing on your platform tomorrow?
We could definitely do it tomorrow, too. It's up to you. We can do it tomorrow.
What time you start tomorrow?
I'm after AJ. If you want, you could, go to AJ's. It's wherever. You open to either anyone's shit. I'm going to be here tomorrow afternoon towards tomorrow evening.
What time you going live, SuSu?
I go live typically around like 5 or 6 p.m. your time, Key. So,
yeah. We're gonna the courtroom gonna be in SuSu's world. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have me some extra pages because they playing too much. She do not want this out. She do not want. I want to tell it.
Shit, we here tonight. Like I'm telling you, I'm up. We up. Shit, the fuck. I don't know about you, but
right quick.
Think about it. Take your time. We can stream still. Take your time.
Bring the finger in my hair right quick so we can see.
He gonna fly in here as soon as he find out. Trust him.
Yeah, Bray to bring somebody share it to him.
Hold on, AJ coming up. Cash says she up. She want to party. Yeah. Shit, I'm off tonight. Do it.
Get it. Hey y'all, I was asleep, but I done woke up.
Hey AJ.
Bald head. Make sure you record it all so we can cover it in the morning when the people there.
Come on with it, Kiki. Come on now.
so I can make sure I go look for it in the morning. Now go ahead, Auntie Key, get it out, girl, so we can go ahead and cover this in the morning. It'll be all over the app.
Mm-hmm.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing tonight, y'all? I was knocked out.
Hey, good morning.
Did Baldhead get just them interview? Cause I missed that. Oh God, I gotta play that tomorrow.
Girl, it's a lot that happened. It's a lot, child. It's a lot. They clipped me. It was like 1.5 in this bitch. I was going crazy on Netra. They clipped me. I got my page back. We went to the court before court could start. They clipped her. Now we back. Child, it's crazy.
They clipped court?
Yep.
Shut the fuck up.
And they clipped the diddler. They clipped court. They've been clipping. We've been clipping. I just got this page back right now.
They out here reporting like crazy.
Yeah, I just got this page back literally less than an hour ago.
Well, I have y'all know that tomorrow
Hey,
a very big day, but I might have to push it back another day. We was gonna have an amazingly powerful interview tomorrow, but I guess we can wait another day because I want to hear what we missed first, because I think that might be pertinent to the interview.
Who was the interview with?
Ooh.
Down.
You ain't gotta tell me shit. I can't get nothing out of her.
Okay, Key, so what's the dealio? We up to the crack of dawn. This thing gonna go up to 1 point whatever here in a second. As soon as you get this thing cracking.
Tomorrow evening, y'all. We're going to y'all on SuSu's World tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow evening. Okay, bet. All right, not too much. Turn this up. What they talking about over there? Y'all touch my streamer's box, please, and thank you.
And think about the people that sat back and wish they would have went. Now, I'm not going to promote myself on your live, but I'm going to tell you here today, I have a travel business. All y'all know that. A couple of y'all know that went on the trip. Even Miss Netra. I'm going to say this and say, when I started travel in my life, when I started putting my family on the line and doing things and going places and putting other people's trips who were strangers and making money in the industry, even with that alone, haters came with it. There are people that cannot stand the fact that you can put something together, do something together, be together, love on each other. There are people cannot take that. So you got to keep that in mind, sweetheart.
Who the hell is that preaching?
When 110 of y'all can get on a cruise ship together, all these events you have had before that, the meet and greets, the times y'all have spent together, it is a big deal. So everybody can't take that kind of pressure, especially when they call themselves creators. Okay? And I'm going to put myself back in the box. So y'all just drop me down because it's safer if you drop me versus if I drop myself. That's what I heard on the creator book. They said it's better if you drop me.
God, what the hell is...
I know you fucking lying.
I love you, friend.
So let me read this message that came in. And
I'm
this
so irritated. Child. Y'all, we gotta touch the live goal. Thank y'all for giving me to the podium. We gotta do the work. Y'all know they on my ass now.
I want you to know it's me.
Popular.
Real. I've told you that before, but let me explain what I meant. If it's right, it's right. If it's wrong, it's wrong. No matter who's wearing the shoe, you open up your heart. You open up your heart and pound to help others, only for it to be thrown in your face later. I'd be damned if you do, damned if you don't. God got you, and whenever you go, wherever you go, we're coming. Know that. You just keep walking forward. A path is being cleared. And you got 1 week to come up with the hotels for the Christmas party. Because, lady, I'm coming to get one of those hugs. I want to meet you before your big days on the stage. Because, again, all of us can't go where you're going, but we want to see you go. Period.
What is she reading?
The chat GPT wrote
with fireworks.
It's coddle hours. Y'all don't know what time it is? Good night, Just. We'll see you in the morning. It's coddle hours.
Yeah. See you in the morning, Just. Love you.
I love that message. Right.
There go breaking. There go breaking. Keyona, you up tonight or what?
I had sent you another text when you said...
Yeah, the kingdom was summoned. 1 second, not too much.
When they were talking about...
Keyona said the kingdom had to be summoned for this information.
Hey, Key, girl, I tried to come in the damn breakfast tea with Key, girl. You gotta unblock MESSYTOK Kingdom, girl. I think you still gotta be blocked from back in the day, girl.
I thought you was gonna be on Real and Raw.
That's a blog page. That's just one of the blog pages. No, I was coming from.
I made sure that one wasn't blocked while you was in the box.
Okay, so well, Real and Raw, you shouldn't have blocked. That's not even me. That's somebody else.
Well, I was just saying, I made sure it wasn't blocked.
So what's up? You got your cracklings, you got your uncle, whatever the heck. What's up?
Okay, so I wanted Bray King over here because, as I stated, Bray King has been spearheading this whole thing and getting the word out of what FOE is about and what they're doing. A lot of people has been afraid to come up against this shit, but he hasn't. Real talk. All bullshit aside, right? And I hate to cuss, but we are now in session. All right, so as you all may know, today we had a real case, right? Not a fake one anymore, but a real case where a content creator on this app sued another content creator for not less than $200,000 and not more than $1 million. That is what was asked for in damages. You following me, Breaking? Breaking, are you following?
The dark out of my head. Can you see me?
No, we can't. You in the black.
So yes, for $200,000 to $1 million.
Can you give me those? Say it one more time so I can really follow.
Not less than $200,000 and not more than $1 million. So the expected suit from me is anywhere between $200,000 and $1 million. Now I think SuSu had Bobby Brown up earlier to rep, and I love Bobby Brown. I went to sleep last night watching his, oddly enough, I went to sleep watching his documentary last night. So we're going to use some other crackhead people when SuSu put them up. But if that ain't some crackhead shit, I don't know what it is. Okay? And I would like to say that crackhead is hyperbole. I have no idea if that lady, you know what I'm saying, uses the can, the ash, and the lighter. I don't know. But I do know she likes breakfast. AKA marijuana. But yeah, no. 200,000 is the minimum. And that's why I was like, y'all, 200,000 is the minimum. 1 million is the max that she expected to get from me for the bullshit that goes on MESSYTOK. I know you fucking lied. Count part one is she is saying that I called her house dirty. I'm supposed to pay you for that. I called her house dirty. Listen to this. 9 in the lawsuit. Her platform focuses on an array of issues, topics, and social causes of raising awareness of discrimination, food insecurity, raising funds for other charitable organizations, and for the subject of this suit, support for Black Lives Matter.
Good luck, Keyona. Gotta be Keyona. I just know.
I needed you over here. I know we don't get along.
Yes, and as you are reading this, Key, just make sure you know that Netra is streaming, but she has been she's been terrorizing a lot of us. She's been sending threats. Her. So yeah, we're nosy. Keep going, Key. We want to know.
So. Yeah, I can't wait for the jury. This part right here. But the Black Lives Matter, where we got tape where she told the white guy, yeah, use your white privilege and call Dr. Michelle a black bitch.
Yes, I remember that when she had the white man call her. Yes, ma'am.
Let's see here. The plaintiff is a social media influencer who has established platform attracting over 30,000 viewers for the purpose of promoting brand loyalty.
Meanwhile, FOE is falling apart, crumbling. Brand loyalty where?
On or about. Okay, we're going to talk about that part. Defendant landed on the plaintiff's platform. I'm the defendant. Nearly 1.5 years ago, a lie, until the relationship went sour over defendants having dropped a viewer's address. Now, y'all know, if I have to get Trip and have Trip come, I will. This lady put in this fucking lawsuit that I dropped Trip's address in the comments. Now, here's the funny thing, right? I've been pulling a lot of videos on my own because, you know, motherfuckers won't help you. So anyway, and I got one video, right, where she's telling, because it happens to be on Diamond. She's telling Diamond, right, Keyona just mad because I wouldn't take up for her when Trip did. I need to protect her from Trip. Great. Then there's a lie where she's talking to Petty Rowe. And she said, oh, Trip just mad because Trip needed protecting from Keyona. Which the fuck one was it? Was Trip the one doing the damage or was Keyona the one doing it? Because in this lawsuit you said I dropped Trip's address. We all know that's not true.
Now saying, didn't that happen? And Pookie is co-signing. She said, didn't you drop it in the comments? And it's crazy that Netra can dish it out. She can dox people, put their kids out there, but she can't take it back. And she's police as fuck.
Where's the proof of that, though? Where's the proof of that?
She's federal. She's the police.
How in the hell could I drop Trip's address and don't... How?
But Keyona, in order to have that stand in court, wouldn't they have to have proof of your name or your profile with the address?
Netra, I know you listening. Does PJ know you a snitch friend? Because how you gonna have a son that's a criminal and a felon and his mama is snitching, taking shit to the courts, girl? That's not right.
Thank you, Deb A. So, yeah, I never got Trip's address. Ever. And me and Trip got real cool. So... if I need to, we would do that. We'll do that one thing. So, she says, defendant having dropped a viewer's address into the chat as a means of intimidation. I know where you live and can get to you if I want to. This is the fucked up part.
One second, Keyona. So, Conehead,
Best bet you bet.
hold on, Conehead, Burton, Ernie, Rose over there with the 1 foot. She, is talking about she's reporting. Well, I need y'all to do me a favor. As we're listening to Keyona calmly read a story for us, I need populars flying, I need gifts flying, and I need taps going. Okay? We cannot stop with the taps. We got to keep the taps rolling, okay? Go ahead.
I'll say this because Netra is right there streaming and she is upset. But I just wanted to let her know, like, the police games is not a game that she wants to play. I actually have all of my people sending all of the clips where she has threatened to unalive a lot of us, saying that heads will be taken off, people will be on milk cartons, kids will go missing. All of those clips are coming forward. So Netra might want to think twice before she play police games with me, because, baby, she done sent more threats, as well as Duffy and a lot of her other panelists. So, baby, their lives will be in danger if she tries to play with me. I don't play them games, honey.
Oh, yeah, we all remember the threat that me, Dr. Michelle, Christy, all us got from Good Yellow, also known as favorite nephew now, Mr. Thornton. Mr. Thornton? Yeah, we knew your name way before SuSu had you on Judge Mathis' court. When you came in there and told us you was going to kill us for Netra. Okay. So, anywho.
Watch the language, Key.
Sorry. So... here we go. Plaintiff's moderator reprimanded the defendant by stressing the importance of privacy and instructed the defendant not to disclose of a video. Mario said no such a thing to me. Me and Trip was cussing each other out and Mario stopped it. This lady crazy. So now she said defendant, a real estate agent, responded by cursing the moderator and then, real estate agents don't cuss. Where y'all emphasize that? Which, if you knew I was a real estate agent, you should have known what my last name was while you sending me this lawsuit in Keyona, Naisha Keyona Reed. So if you knew I was a real estate agent, you should have been able to check my license with. I got 2 of them, two real estate licenses in Georgia. One as a salesperson, one as a broker. Okay, keep it moving. It responded by cursing the moderator and embarked on journey of harassing plaintiff on social media. Showing pictures of plaintiff's house to viewers on social media, commented in a manner to devalue the sale of plaintiff's house by declaring it cheap, dirty, and nasty. Has anybody seen Netra house up for sale? And secondly,
I have one of them posted. I think it was the blogger Vigilante posted the inside of her house. It was like, yeah, we seen it.
But what I'm saying is, since Netra been on MESSYTOK, has her house been up for sale in the last? I put it this way, in the last 24 months. Thank you. So how the hell can I devalue your house? First of all, I don't have a license in Texas, so whatever I say. And second of all, cleanliness is actually a opinion. But anyway. So then it goes on to say, defended while maintaining her own social media presence. Thank you for acknowledging that I do have a business as an LLC. Although y'all didn't sue my business, you tried to sue me. Or you're trying. On the internet segment called Clock It, you on the clock, you on the clock, you on the docket. An enterprise that trolls the internet for legal stories. What? In which the host defendant opines without any supporting facts. Who the hell does that, y'all? Who has a court show?
Miss Netra. So she's suing you for the shit she do, and she says clock it, you're on the docket. I hope you got all these clips. She is playing with the court's money, the time. They don't play about shit like that. And then she threatened to go to the police. She's going to jail. Netra, you're going to jail, honey.
Oh, Lord, this is not...
This lady told these people in this complaint that I had a show called Clock on the Docket, that's an enterprise that trolls the internet for legal stories in which the host, me, opines or opinions without any supporting facts, and declared the plaintiff a crack addict, one addicted to crack cocaine. Defendant stated that the plaintiff had $1 million lawsuit against East Texas Family Medicine and Dr. Delaney French, but she, the defendant, is the reason why the plaintiff claims she settled for far less, an undisclosed amount. Ladies and gentlemen, who in the hell walked around this app telling everybody they was going to get $1 million out of this white man?
Netra. Everything she's suing you for is what she did.
Everything she's suing me for is the shit she did.
And she's sitting up there looking stupid with that big ass fan, knowing she's caught up. And everybody in that panel that's participating, they're going to go to jail too. We're going to make sure we find the information and put them charges on them too. In the morning, I'll be beating Netra to jail. So if you want to play them type of games, baby, you're going to jail, honey.
Kev said this can be dismissed under the clean hands doctrine. I don't know what that is, but it's good to look into it. I need y'all to bop this screen to 300K. We can't stop.
Good. Quickly, like, hey, Key, how could you be so sloppy, right? You can't even get the name of the court show.
Just said I'm sure Breaking would love it in jail. Bitch, we would be bumping
6 figures.
We would be in the bump next, you dummy. Kev, welcome up.
What's going on, y'all? Can I throw this in there real quick, and I'm gonna get out y'all here. In any civil court, in any court of law, when you suing somebody civilly, they have what's called the clean hands doctrine, which means that you have, in order to sue somebody, you come into the court seeking help from the courts. You have to come in there with clean hands. You can't come in there committing the same offense that you're suing somebody for and expecting the court to bail you out of that situation or that circumstance. Y'all can look it up. It's called the clean hands doctrine. See you later.
If I were you, I would stick around though, for what we discovered in court today, thanks to her attorney. So next, defendant stated on social media that she gave East Texas Family Medicine and Dr. French evidence, and that evidence caused plaintiff's settlement amount to be a low undisclosed amount. First and foremost, how the hell can I make you settle? You are the lawyer. You knew the merits of your case. So if anything, you're supposed to be saying, nah, shawty, we settled because we had a great case and they knew they had a bad one. You know how dumb that sounds? To say that a woman defendant purposely sought out East Texas Family Medicine and Dr. Delaney Frisch for the purpose of interfering with the contract. First of all, there was no such contract. Thank you for the gifts. How the hell you suing somebody you didn't have an employment contract? So what the hell? Okay, settlement negotiations and agreements and the defendant actions caused plaintiff damages $1 million according to defendant. You can make your mouth fried chicken if you want to. On or about October 29, 2024, the undersigned sent defendant a cease and desist letter. Defendants responded by harassing plaintiff further by disclosing plaintiff's children's father's child support liens on the internet to viewers and disclosing plaintiff's tax records to the viewers on the internet, all in the effort to harm the plaintiff financially. That's the biggest lie ever. Now, I don't remember the child support thing, but I do remember the tax. And I'm going to tell you when that was. Heartbreaker had told Netra that I had made nothing but $9,000. Netra was running up and down this goddamn app. All you made is $9,000. All you made is $9,000. I was like, you know what? You can use this $9,000 to pay your tax bill. That's how that was. So everything that was done in retaliatory. So they said, here's the cause of action. They demand a trial by jury. I totally 1,000% agree there. You have absolutely no problem there. They would like to get, within 50 days, they want the material information such as, my bank statements, which they will be getting tomorrow. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but because I've been over here playing, and in May of last year, Netra got 385 people to say that my business is no good and people shouldn't trust me. So that did cause me not to be able to have many clients. And then there's you remember that change.org? I got that.
I do.
Got the video where they was going over it. Got that video real good too. Thank y'all for the ones who did send me some shit. I appreciate you. So yeah, this is supposed to be the $1 million lawsuit, child. But there were some things that I found out in court, because what I filed was I filed a defendant's motion to strike my name, because again, I keep saying it is not appropriate to my husband, my ex-husband, and my ex-husband's wife to keep calling me by Reed. I have not went by Reed since August of 2009. So to me, that was something fishy there. I also filed a motion because I was served by the Secretary of Texas, the Secretary of State of Texas. I got 20 goddamn LLCs in Georgia. Why didn't you have the Secretary of State of Georgia serve me? So again, but a bar complaint was filed for that behavior. And then I asked said counsel, why are you suing me in that jurisdiction? Why are you not suing me here in my jurisdiction? He said, do you have a law license? I said, no. He said, well, you will find out. Well, when someone is pro se, you're actually supposed to treat them as an attorney. Okay, so yeah. So, but here's the thing, and I learned this today in MESSYTOK. You guys might want to hear about this. We all know that there are rules, right? Civil procedures, right, that govern. The first thing is always going to be venue jurisdiction. So I argue that Texas, I don't have any business there. I've never been to Texas a day in my life, never visited, nothing, never done business there. And of course, and that's, by the way, let me say, we got some great judges here in Georgia, but clearly Texas does too, because that judge was great today and he was fair.
Scooter, you say my name one more time and I'm going to have you screaming for your son, girl. Leave me alone.
So basically, the judge was very fair, and I really appreciate that, because, he was like, why y'all think y'all have jurisdiction over her? And so Netra's attorney, which hey, kudos to he said there is something called the long arm statute, which says if you want to harm someone in another state, if you're doing something, even if you're in a